Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna start with a new widget in the Flutter, and also it is one of the most important widgets and just frequently used in many applications. This widget called ListTile. Always you can use it inside the list, for example, especially inside the list, but you can use it anywhere if you want. But in this example I will make it inside the list. ListTile is something like that. For example, I have this here. Actually you can create this by just using expanded, using columns, row, something like that, and you can simply create something like that. But ListTile is like built-in widget, so you don't need to create anything from zero. It is already like this, and use it is very simple. I'll show you how to make like this design. So first thing, I have only body. So in the body I can just write maybe in the body here I will just create a list. We have explained the list view before, so we have list view dot just list view with children or dot builder. So I prefer just dot builder. You can return back to the previous videos and you can find this one, how we have explained how to create it. First thing, we have item count, so how many items we have. So I can say for example 50. I have item builder. In the item builder we have a context and we have index. That's it. Now we have return. In the return I will create a container just to add the colors and something like that, and close the container. In the container I can just add a color. So here colors dot, for example, a blue, to make it like this here. Without add, for example, here I need to add like high, for example 200, and they should add like width 200. Now I can see the container. Those 200s, but there is no like margin and padding between them, so I can add just some margin, for example here, just to add space between each one. So I can say just edge insets dot all from all sides, and I can make it like 10. Now you can see it's like a space between each one, as you can see here. And now we have about 50 of the container. So we can add like margin, we can add like padding, so like a space from inside. So also same thing dot all, and I can make it like 10 here. That's it. So now just the container. Now I don't need high and width because I will create like a child here, and the child will be ListTile. You can see now ListTile, it's like perfect, so you can just add it in this way. If you just press Ctrl and go inside it, so you can see what we have. We have leading, we have title, subtitle, and trailing. So here I'll start with the leading. I can just make it icon, and inside icon I have icons dot. So at the first here, the leading is here on the left side, so here I will add like a person leading. Now title, just write title. Title is widget, so text, for example, and I can add this title. That's it. So now if you run also, you can see the title should be here. Here we have title. Now also subtitle, so just text, and I can say here subtitle. Of course in the future this will come from the internet or from the database, but now just example, just for design. Here the subtitle. Also we have trailing here, and I can add also icons, or sorry, icon widget. Inside it icons dot, for example, forward, something like that. Yes, and I can also add size 50 here, so it will be in this way. That's it. I can add the color here, for example inside icon I can add color. Inside the text here I can add just a style and color, text style and color. But also in the list style we can just add it one time, not for each icon and text. So here I can say for example icons color, so I can add for all colors dot white, and also text color, it will be colors dot white, for example. So now it will become better since the background is a blue dark color or deep color. so I can just make those whites. That's it. So now just to create this in the simple way. So this is everything about that. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.